English has one word. French has many. Let's explore how to say it. For, to see, to go, to come, to know, and to speak.
Why? Voir is not the same as regard. Voir means to see, naturally without effort. Overall, it means you look around naturally. Regarder means to look or to watch on purpose, which specifies you focus on an object. Monter means to show. You show something to camera. Observer means to observe carefully. Scenario is you lean in, observe closely. To see is not just
To
voir.
go in English is simple, but in French, it's not just aller. Let's break it down. Aller means to go somewhere in general. For example, je vais au travail. I'm going to work.
Partir means to leave or depart. For example, je pars à 8 heures. I leave at 8. Voyage means to travel. For example, je voyage en France. I travel to France.
Sortir means to go out. For example, je sors ce soir. I'm going out tonight. Quitter means to leave something specific. For example, j'ai quit le bureau. I leave the office. In English, we say go. That's simple, right? But in French, it is precise. Hope you like this content. Please like, share, and subscribe. Today's French lesson is about to come in French. Most people think it's just venir means to come. It's used as je viens, I'm coming. But wait, if you say I'm arriving, that's not venir. It's arriver, j'arrive. Now, if you say I'm coming back, that's revenir, can be used as je reviens, means I am coming back. And if you say I'm going home, that's rentrer, can be used as je rentre. See? French is specific. Don't use one verb for everything. Follow for daily
To
French.
know sounds simple in English, right? But in French, there are 4 words. First, savoir. When you know a fact, you can use this word as je sais la réponse. Means I know the answer. Second, connaître. When you know a person or a place, you can say je connais Marie. Means I know Marie. Then, comprendre. Use this word when you understand something. Je comprends means I understand. And finally, apprendre. When you're learning. For example, j'apprends le français. See? French doesn't just translate. It makes your brain work.
In English, we just say or speak. But French? Oh no, it's specific.
Dire is when you say something specific. For example, je dis la vérité means I tell the truth.
Parler is when you speak or talk. Say, je parle français. I speak French. If you're telling a story or an experience, use raconte. To ask in French is not ask. It's demander. For example, je demande une question. I ask a question. When you explain something step by step, that's expliquer. French is precise, and that's why it's beautiful. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Merci d'avoir regardé. Now you know how to say see, go, come, know, and speak in French. Keep practicing these verbs every day, and soon French will feel natural. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more fun French lessons. À bientôt!